Welcome to the official media channel of the Igbo Community of Wales. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about our vibrant community, including our rich cultural heritage, upcoming events, interviews with community members, and much more. We aim to showcase the diversity and dynamism of the Igbo people in Wales and connect with the wider community. The Igbo Community of Wales, our motto is, together, unity, and one voice. The Igbo Community of Wales stands as a testament to the resilience and vibrancy of the Igbo people in the diaspora. We are a community united by our shared heritage, bound by the threads of our rich culture and traditions. We strive to preserve and promote Igbo language, music, dance, and folklore, ensuring that future generations inherit this invaluable legacy. Through cultural events, workshops, and educational programs, we cultivate cultural literacy and foster a deeper understanding of our heritage. Public relations play a vital role in representing our community to the wider Welsh society, building bridges of understanding and fostering positive relationships. Fundraising efforts support our community initiatives, from educational scholarships to cultural events and charitable endeavors. Networking within the Igbo community and with other cultural organizations strengthens our collective voice and empowers us to address the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Together, we stand as one voice, celebrating our heritage, upholding our values, and contributing positively to the vibrant tapestry of Welsh society. You can further enhance this piece by adding specific examples, mention specific events or initiatives organized by the community. Highlighting the community's contributions, mention any charitable work or contributions to the local community. Including a call to action, encourage individuals to join the community and get involved. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about the Igbo Community of Wales, please visit our website and follow us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Together, we celebrate our heritage, build stronger communities, and contribute positively to Welsh society. Igbo Community of Wales, together, unity, and one voice.